Hey, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am absolutely thrilled to be able to unbox this for you. As a trauma therapist, my heart belongs with all of those who seek out health in their mental care status. And Auclair Studio came out with this Together We Thrive. It's a 25-inch by 22-inch, which is 63.7 centimeters by 55.8 centimeters. And OMG, absolutely gorgeous. We are going to open this up and see what in the world do we have going on. But it's 80 colors in this amazing artwork. 2 Aurora Borealis, 1 Electro, and 3 Fairy Dust. We're going to dive in and see. I love that the box is absolutely gorgeous. And at the bottom, it shows you Together We Thrive, so that if you are laying this horizontally down, if you're collecting a stash, if you have it in your box, you can see what you have going on here. So we have taken this out. And I love these boxes they have inside a box. Just makes everything so sturdy and so well put together. Here is the toolkit. The toolkit, as you guys know, comes with the pen and the newer paintings. The pen now has the brass tip with the clear putty inside. You get the 3-placer as well. And then, of course, you get the large tray that's stackable. And inside, they give you wax in case you don't want the 3-placer. In case you don't want the putty. They give you spare putty in case you do. And they give you a 7 multi-placer that you can put on. And these stack, whoops, if I can get this in right. These stack, and they have a stopper, so when you shake, it doesn't pop out. All right, my hands need to start working. There we go. And then you get your little baggies as well. So let's get to what we really want to see. And that is, does this come with a collector's card? You're going to open your thank you for your purchase, and it absolutely does. I'm so thrilled. Here is the collector's card. Now this one's a bronze. On the back, it has the code that you can scratch off. Go check out Diamond Art Club and figure out bronze, silver, gold, black. It'll tell you all about the collector's cards and how you can get more prizes and points with them. Inside is also your little sticker sheet that has all of your DMC, some color numbers and symbols, as well as the specialties. Absolutely gorgeous. You can put this on your baggies, or you can put it on your storage that you have when you kit up your painting. So I'm going to put this back in here, and we're going to dive in to the canvas itself. We're going to look at the rendering of all of those beautiful hands. I just think of dozens and dozens of kids running up, putting their hands in paint and sticking it into making it this a heart shape. How fun would that be to see? So much fun. All right, so it has the normal backing that you get, their patented velvet backing. It's got the serged edges. It is clear front with poured glue. And now we're going to open it. The newer kits have gray lines where it's perforated, so you can actually rip off the 4x4-inch squares. Again, 80 colors. So on the left, you're going to have your thumbnail, and I need to go back to school. And of course, what it's called, the SKU number, and who it's by. You have on the left all of your symbols. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Imagine all of the kiddos running up and clicking on this and being like, oh, hand. Look, Miss Jen, Look at their cute little hands. I have a 2-year-old, and this just, oh, my heart, my mommy heart and it says Together We Thrive, and it has this the beautiful flowers. The rendering is so nice. It does have a white background with the 5200. Let's look at this image. You can see the symbols are very clear to read. That's me bending it. Yes, absolutely gorgeous. Woo-hoo! All right, so let's look at the colors. You know, a lot of times we go, how much 310 is in here? This is how much 5200. So it does say Together We Thrive with the SKU number. So if you do separate your canvases from your drills, you can easily find them. Crinkle, crinkle. I'm going to pause and pull these out for you. Okay, and we're back. And I want to show you, there's this little hitchhiker. It's a little round one. And I'm like, hey, come over to the square party, right? Okay, so here are your drills. You've got a whole bunch of 5200. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5200. And then, whoop, here is a yellow fairy dust, 307. And that looks like it's all here in the middle of the heart. I'm going to pull this down so we can see here in the middle of the heart. Any of those black areas is where the 307 is. You've got your AB, Aurora Borealis, that has like a sequence coating on the top, 741. That is all in the flowers here and down here. And then it looks like over here with some of the orange. And then you've got your beautiful bold colors. They're square. Okay, here is the Electro, which is a metallic. Oh my gosh, that is so vibrant and so beautiful. I cannot wait to pull that out. And that is an hourglass. Let's see where the hourglass is. Hourglass, where are you? Come out to play. Hourglass, where... Oh, it's this. Together We Thrive. I was looking up in here. It is the words, Together We Thrive. And then you got your green and your aqua or teal. We're going to dive into some of these other colors. There's 80 of them. Okay, that's gorgeous. All right, here's another AB, 807. That is a W. That's going to be all through here. Here's a fairy dust, 666. That is, let me see here. Red, where are you? Thinking it's going to be up in the hands up here. Yep, it's all up in this left hands and over here in some of the right. We've got this purple and yellow and blues and reds. So pretty. So pretty. Absolutely gorgeous colors. I am super excited to do this one. Got a 6,000 in there. That's when you know they don't skimp on the color palette when they chart this up. All right, so here's a Z for fairy dust, 155. That's E. All right, that looks like it's scattered throughout the purple in here. And you've got some beautiful blues. We still got colors coming, people. We still got colors. We still have these beautiful colors. They're vibrant, they're fun. I don't see any trash in there at all, any tags, which would represent that the die cut is not sharp enough. They did a great job. And here's the last of the train. Come on, ride the color train. It's a coming. Come on, ride the color train. It's a coming. So pretty. and vibrant and beautiful. There you go. So this is Absolutely Gorgeous by Auclair Studios. Diamond Art Club charted it and they're putting it out. Absolutely amazing. Let me know what you think. Let me know which mental health would you love to see. Absolutely gorgeous. So until next time, be blessed, take care, and heart you as well. Bye-bye.